Okay, guys, for the past few days, we've been discussing about this non-repaint trading indicator. And of course, I've tried as much as possible to go so deep into it to give you the full gist about it, how you can put it into use to trade whatever assets you want to use it to trade, even if it's going to be trading spikes. I actually took my time to explain all these, even on lower time frame. Okay, this time around, we will be checking out this particular trading tool on 5 and 15-minute time frame and see how effective this particular trading tool is. Okay, so we will be doing this together. And of course, if you have been missing my video series on this particular projects, then I will advise you to go back to my channel and watch my videos. Okay, I've got the part one, part two. I think the last one I did happened to be the part four of it. Okay, so you can go over it and watch everything. It will help you to understand, to have a better understanding of what you can get using this trading tool. Okay, but before I go fully into today's video. Okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and also share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into today's topic. Okay, so we will be checking out the assets on two different time frame. We'll first start with 5 minute time frame and see how we can take advantage of the market using this trading tool. It is a non repaint trading indicator and it is customized for your own account. Okay, so which means it will work perfectly well on your account to trade whatever assets you want to use it to trade. Okay, so I'm just going to go to 5 minutes time frame right now. Okay, so this is it on 5 minute time frame. Okay, so just where we are seeing this, let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, let's start from here, guys. Let's start from here. So actually this actually got to the support zone, and most especially once you see a market playing around a certain position, giving you a kind of sideways movement or trend, it means that something is about to happen. It is either it is finding difficult to break out from the support zone or trying to change the trend into an uptrend. Okay, so um, any of these things is actually happening. Okay, and of course, as you can see, this switch from a downtrend to an uptrend broke out above it at this point. Now let me quickly tell you this. Okay, if you get a signal like this, okay, the trend actually changed from a downtrend into an uptrend and gave you a buy signal. What I expect you guys to do is to set up your trade immediately. Okay, go into the trade, set up your buy signal, and of course place your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, personally, because I've seen the zigzag movements along this side, I'm not going to place my order at this point. Okay, because it shows that the market is actually playing around here. Okay, I can place my signal after the breakout. Okay, so this will give me a kind of assurance that it has broken out within the ranging area before I jump into the market. Okay, now check it out. This is how beautiful this indicator is. Okay, after this signal, we got a buy signal somewhere here, but let's say we didn't enter the. Let's even say this is where we decide to enter, where we got another buy signal and the uptrend signal at this point. Check it out. This is 5 minute time frame, guys, till it got to the resistance zone. This actually gave us our 40,390 points. Okay, now it has gotten to the resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So it switched from an uptrend signal, which happened to be this yellow color, into a downtrend signal, which happened to be this red color, and it is coming from a resistance zone. it is coming from the resistance zone. So which means you set your stop loss a little bit above the resistance zone and you follow the sell signal. This is the first sell signal we got. Okay, so the first signal came in at this point where we had our downtrend signal also popping up right from there. You can see. So set your stop loss somewhere here, and of course set up your signal. I mean your order at this point, and of course check it out. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. This is another 37,247 points. Okay, that's a lot of profit on 5 minute time frame. Okay, now it got to this region. Here is another major support zone. It was unable to break out from there. Okay, so you set your stop loss a little bit below it, and of course you impute your entry points where you got your buy signal. We got the buy signal at this spot, and of course right here we got the uptrend signal also. So let's say you place your order somewhere here, your stop loss somewhere, it's played around here after spiking and spiking, and right now check it out, it has got into this region. So that's so amazing. This will have given you a lot of profit even before it switched back into a downtrend at this point. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. Now let's check it on 15 minutes time frame. So guys, this is it on 15-minute time frame. Okay, and also on 15-minute time frame is also an amazing way of using this indicator. As you can see, guys, these happen to get to the support region at this point. Okay, and it was unable to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. So if you decide to place your order somewhere here after the switch, okay, check it out. It paused till it got to this region. At the pullback, of course, there will always be pullback because you don't expect it to follow a particular trend throughout without any pullback. Okay, there should be room for people to be wiped out. Okay, so that is it. Um, then it pulled back, went back up to break out from here, and of course, check it out. It got to this region. The same thing happened to it when it gave us a sell signal. Okay, from the resistance zone, we got the sell signal. However, how do you place your order? First of all, you set your stop loss at the a little bit above the resistance zone. Okay, and of course, you also place your order when you got your sell order and of course the downtrend signal, and you can see it gave us a lot of profits when it got to this. Okay, remember this is 15 minutes time frame. We can do the calculation. Okay, check it out. This is non-repaint, guys. It is non-repaint. It gives you signal and it follows it. Okay, and that is the beautiful part about it. Okay, and of course this is 33,622 points. That's a lot of profit. And right here it gave us a buy signal. Set your stop loss and check it out. The profit might not be that high, but it gave us a good profit even at this spot. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is, and that is how you can use this trading tool to milk the market and sweep the market right from there. It is as easy as that, guys. So you guys, if you are having this trading tool, I will advise you to set it up on your demo account and practice with it very well and see how beautiful it is, guys. See how beautiful it is. And if you are not having a demo account, then I mean, if you are not having the trading tool, you can reach out to me. We can talk about it. How you can get it. Okay, it also gives alert. That's the alert showing popping up right from there. So that is how beautiful it is. So you can see you can easily identify and follow the signals that support the trend. So it is as easy as that. I will be stopping right here, guys. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contacts is in the description box, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there. You can also drop questions for me in the comment section. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so if you are not in the Telegram channel, you are also missing because um dish out free signals within the Telegram site channels for those that don't have the trading tool. Okay, so you can take advantage of it right from there also. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.